What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, this episode, we are working on the E550 and we are going to be changing out the air filters. She got two because this thing has two, so super easy job. Apparently it helps with airflow and throttle response, but we're gonna see. There it is, the famous M273 naturally aspirated. Let's put this in maintenance mode. So real quick, super easy install. Just gonna pop this off and I'm gonna place it on the floor. Okay, and then from here, oh look at the, whoa, look at that. That's oh no. We need to get one of those ASAP. Holy crap, holy moly. Okay, well this one came off easy and this is not brittle, so that's good. But this one, yeah, that's no good, my friend. Shit. Alright, well that'll be another thing we gotta do, like immediately. Look at that. Damn. Okay, so heat exposure definitely ruined that. Crap. Alright, well, so looks like everything is good. I mean, this thing was very well taken care of. Like I was telling you guys in the other video, I mean, look at that. Dang, there's like no dirt, no nothing. I was telling you in the other video that this car was meticulously maintained by Mercedes only. So, you know, I expect nothing but the best. Or what's the slogan? The best or nothing? Something like that. Anyways, here we go. So, there's a little latch right here, and then you just pop it off and it'll come off. I may need to put this down so that way I can take it off. Ooh, is it hot? Yeah, it's hot. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna put the camera down. Okay, well, there it is. So the intake boxes, I didn't even know what they look like. Hold on. The air filters, I mean, that's the intake box. But right there you can see, let me see. Oh, look at this, super fancy schmancy. Yep, those are going in. So on these things, I think it's like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you pop these off. Oh man, yeah, they look kind of dusty. Not super dirty though, but we'll see when we pull them out. But yeah, 4 little screws. Open it, change it, close it, reinstall it. Super easy. But look at that, there it is, the M273. What the hell? Look at those little poops, little mouse poopies right there. What kind of mouse in their right mind would want to sit on this engine? Okay, and now I know some of these Mercedes, especially like the C300, is prone to oil leaks back here on these little expansion caps. So put my hand back here and just give it a little feel. Nothing. Okay, let's check the other one. Go like this. So that's this cap right here, and I can see that there's nothing there, so we're good. I'm looking down to see if there's any leaks. Nothing. Same thing with this, there's no leaks, so we're good. 1, 2. I'm looking at the shit. Look at that, there it is, M273. Pretty sick. I'm just looking at the overall condition. Oh yeah, that belt looks good. Yeah. Pulleys look good. Yep. The next thing to do after this would be oil and spark plugs. Definitely gonna have to check them and see if they're good. But we're gonna do that all ourselves. So I'm gonna put this back down or set it up, and then I'm just gonna excuse me. I'm gonna do the thing, take it off and swap them out. So I will see you guys like, I don't know what, probably took me 5 minutes. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. And so I got them off, and let's see, moment of truth. See what they look like underneath. Like I said, this car was well maintained, so I'm not expecting anything too crazy. But you'd be surprised, right? And that's okay. You know, it's not too crazy. Let me see. I've seen worse. Oh no! Not the little bug. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, it's way of life, guys. Dang, that thing is crispy. The feathers are so soft, though. Oh no. Speaking about bugs, check this out. On this side, I think. Look, oh yeah, it's right here. Look, I was taking it off, and there's a spider. I can't see. There it is. But literally, it got charred, so it's dried out. But yeah, this is the stuff that's in it. Oh, look, there's a bee in there too. Dang. Alright, well, let's just yeet all this stuff out. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Ugh. Delicious. That's one. And here's two. The last owner who had this was in Calabasas, so he would drive up to Malibu in his car, and so I'm assuming, like, you know, being in that area, sucking up all that stuff in the air. Is what got caught in here. So, all right. Well, now that that's clear, we're gonna install the new ones, reinstall it, and yeah. Obviously, I'm not expecting like, oh my god, insane amount of horsepower or whatever, but just obviously because it's cleaner, right? Yeah, it's clean. Here, let's do a side-by-side comparison real quick. Oh, please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall. I gotta get better at this vlogging shit. Anyways, so, oh wow, that's a massive difference. Look at that. Look at the difference in how many layers, right? You know? It's like a checkbook. I'm just kidding. And then this one. So this is just gonna go, I'm assuming like this, right up in there, and then flip it over and then bolt it back in. So I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, we'll get it back in and see what's it all about. So, all right, guys, give me like 5 minutes. I'll see you guys in a second. All right, so we just finished. I am now just cleaning up, but yeah, everything is easy peasy lemon squeezy to install. So just gonna go ahead and throw these in the recycle real quick. Everything is back in for sure. Tomorrow I'm gonna go and replace that one down there. I gotta stop by the dealership anyways, just so I can you know, do my due diligence. Like, I already saw the Carfax and saw all the history, but I kind of want to get the in-depth dive of all the services performed, so that way I know where to pick up where I left off, or where it was left off. So, all right, moment of truth. Obviously, I'm not going to expect anything, but maybe like a more sensitive throttle off the bat. But here we go. All right, a little push to start over there. Gee, love that thing. All right, here we go. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Boom! Not yet. Ah, yes, nice and smooth. Look there. There's the RPM. Don't look at my gas. I'm broke. Okay. It's trying to adjust. It definitely senses that there's more air, especially on startup. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to Costco in a bit and put some gas in there, because I gotta go back to work tomorrow. Not that I, daily this thing for work, but anyways, so let's go check it out in the front, see what she's doing. Yes, yes, yes. I know. Key not detected. Here. There. All right. Look at that. Listen to it. It's so quiet. Wow. Very good. Very good. All right, guys. Well, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys have a good one. And stay tuned for more content. Oh, I almost forgot. On the other video, I haven't posted it yet, but it'll be kind of weird. I did the H pipe already. I still have to wait to do the E550 mufflers because I don't have the proper diffuser. I was looking online for some diffusers, and a lot of them I don't like, especially the one that has the same cutout. I just realized something while looking through the photos. From the bumper, it actually protrudes out, and I don't like that at all. If you look at it at a side profile, like, it's sleek, and I'm not trying to mess up those lines. So until I find another one that hugs it just the same way as the stock one does, I don't plan to do the E63 mufflers just yet. But I'm gonna do that. Oil change, transmission fluid swap, change whatever if it needs it, and then maybe a TCU tune first, because you guys know that here at Empty Garage we love manuals, and this thing has a little bit of delay, and so knowing that a TCU tune will sharpen that throttle response and then also respond to my inputs, I definitely want to be more involved in the driving aspect. So alright guys, well, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.